Hey friends, if you encounter the error a current driver on your PC may be better than the driver we are trying to install, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So one is to wait for the featured updates to be offered to you by Windows Update other than trying it to install it yourself. How? Right click on the start button, select settings, go to Windows Update. There's a switch here which says get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Turn this switch on. The next is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is to clear the contents of the software distribution folder. Now we have a script for it and I have shared this in the description section of the video. Simply search for command prompt, click on Run as Administrator, paste these command lines here and hit enter many times so that it executes up to the last command. The next solution is to update drivers and especially the graphics driver. So search for device manager and open the device manager. Expand the list of display adapters, right click on the graphic driver, update driver, search automatically for driver. Right click, update driver, search automatically for driver. And if this doesn't help, then right click on this and uninstall it. Click on action, then scan for hardware changes. Then right click on the second one, uninstall device. Click on action and click on action and scan for hardware changes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.